How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist obsessed with you. That's the title of this video. One thing about narcissists is that they have a distorted view of relationships. They see others as extensions of themselves rather than individuals with their own needs and desires. And that's why narcissists, they use and then they discard people. They use people for their own selfish needs. So, when you're dealing with a narcissist, you're dealing with someone who lacks empathy, someone who's arrogant, someone who's self-absorbed, self-centered, selfish, egocentric, egotistic, someone who it's all about me, 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 me. Now, as you watch this video, just know that obsession with a narcissist might not be a positive thing, but there might be special reasons that you have that make you want to make that narcissist obsessed with you. Trying to make a narcissist obsessed with you could lead to unhealthy dynamics and even potential emotional harm for both you and the narcissist. However, if you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you, number one, set boundaries. You should establish clear boundaries to protect yourself from manipulation or emotional abuse from the narcissist. Remember, narcissists are master manipulators. They need to control everything about you. So you need to establish clear boundaries to protect yourself from them. Also focus on yourself. When you focus on yourself, the narcissist will be obsessed with you. Invest your time and energy in your own personal growth. Invest your time and energy in your hobbies, interests, rather than trying to gain someone's attention or validation. When the narcissist sees that you're focusing on yourself, that you're prioritizing yourself, that you're putting yourself first, then they'll be obsessed with you. The other thing is to seek support. If you're dealing with a narcissist, make sure you have a strong support system of friends, trusted family members, and a therapist or counselor. This therapist or counselor can provide guidance and help you navigate the situation that you're dealing with narcissist in a healthy way. In fact, if you have some support system, the narcissist will be obsessed with you. Also, try to practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who can uplift you. If you put yourself first and practice self-care, then the narcissist will be obsessed with you. Also, try to communicate effectively. Be prepared for the possibility that the narcissist may not respond positively or empathetically whenever you try to communicate with them. But all the same, make sure your communication is effective. And above all, limit contact with that narcissist. Reduce or limit your contact with them. This will create a sense of absence, and it will make the narcissist make them realize your value. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, you can focus on yourself. Shift your focus away from that narcissist and onto yourself. Spend time on your own hobbies, interests, self-improvement. This not only improves your well-being, but also demonstrates that you have a life outside of the relationship. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, don't forget to set boundaries. Establish those clear boundaries and stick to them. Maintain your own limits and don't give in to the narcissist's demands. This way they'll be obsessed with you. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, be unpredictable. Don't always be available at their beck and call. Be unpredictable in your responses. Be unpredictable in your actions. This can create a sense of mystery and intrigue, making the narcissist wonder about your intentions and whereabouts. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, use positive reinforcement. When the narcissist behaves in a way that you appreciate, acknowledge it positively. This can reinforce their desire to seek your approval and attention. Instead of directly trying to make the narcissist miss you, indirectly showcase your value through your actions, accomplishments, and interactions with others. This can make the narcissist realize what they are missing out on. Again, focus on healthy communication. If you do communicate with the narcissist, make sure your communication pattern is healthy. Avoid engaging in arguments or power struggles, and instead strive for constructive dialogue. Dealing with a narcissist can be emotionally taxing, so seek support from friends, family, or a therapist who can provide guidance and help you navigate this relationship. So you can make a narcissist obsessed with you by mirroring their behavior. Narcissists are often drawn to people who mirror their own traits or behaviors. So show confidence, but be careful not to come across as arrogant. Engage in conversations where you allow the narcissist to talk about themselves and show interest in their achievements. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, create mystery. People are often drawn to what they can't have or fully understand. Maintain a level of mystery about yourself. Don't reveal everything about your life right away. Let the narcissist chase after the pieces of information they want to know about you. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, praise them. Give them admiration. Remember, narcissists thrive on praise and admiration. So offer genuine compliments about their achievements or qualities, but be careful not to overdo it or come across as insincere. Also try to set boundaries. Narcissists will be drawn to those who set clear boundaries and don't readily give in to their demands. Show the narcissist that you have self-respect and that you would tolerate disrespectful behavior. If you want a narcissist to be obsessed with you, also try to maintain independence. Don't make yourself too available. Maintain your own interests, hobbies, and friendships. This shows that you have a life outside of that relationship, and this can be very attractive to a narcissist. Remember, engaging with a narcissist can be emotionally draining and may not lead to a healthy relationship. It is therefore essential to prioritize your own well-being and consider whether pursuing a relationship with a narcissist is truly in your best interest. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Subscribe. Thank you.